Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to jailbreak iOS 14 to 14.3 using Checkra1n. Before we continue, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell to stay updated on my future uploads. You will need a flash drive to jailbreak your iOS 14 device. Let's start. First, you need to install 3utools. If you haven't installed it yet, I will be giving the link to the download page on the description below. After you installed 3utools, open it. Click the Flash and JB tab. Under Flash and JB tab, find and click the jailbreak button on the left side of the window. Click the Make Checkra1n Jailbreak USB flash drive. Choose the USB flash drive where you want to install the jailbreak. Click Start Making. Note, all of the data and information that's in the flash drive will be deleted, so proceed with caution. Click Yes if you are ready. Now the Checkra1n is now on the flash drive. You can now close 3utools. Next step is restart your PC. When it boots up, press the boot menu key on the keyboard. In Acer, the default boot menu key is F12. I will be giving the link on the list of the boot menu and a tutorial how to access boot menu, so don't worry. Once you're in the boot menu, choose your flash drive where you installed the jailbreak earlier. As you can see, you have to press Alt and F2 at the same time. You can now connect your iPhone to your PC. You can move the selection using the arrow keys on your keyboard. If you are ready, choose Start. There's instruction on the screen, so you don't have to worry. Wait for it to boot up. It is normal to have USB error response. This is commonly found on iPhone with passcode. So if you encountered this error, don't worry because your phone will boot up in a jailbroken state. As you can see, Checkra1n is now installed, and your device is jailbroken. You can now install Cydia and download tweaks for your iPhone. If you liked this video, consider leaving a like to support me. Smiley face.